The challenge we had was how do we keep moving forward and how do we take Cadillac into a new direction where people see it as still a Cadillac, but very much a future-forward vision for Cadillac.
From a luxury styling perspective, our creative design partners have really had free rein on this vehicle.
It is a designer's dream to start with an all-new architecture. It takes up less space. It allows you to have the freedom to design this interior the way you want from start.
Attention to detail with the edges, the surfaces, the fits, the finishes, the selection of materials. We've thought several layers deep in terms of how we want to communicate what the future of Cadillac promises to the customer.
The interior designers start out with that first read, the beautiful surfacing, striking the lines and making sure that they are uninterrupted and flowing. And the placement of woods, metal, with the warm accents, the contrast between cool and warm is just beautiful. And that allows for that second read. The third read is that layer of discovery. It's those discoveries that help the customer fall in love over and over again.
There's so many cool elements in this interior.
When you open the door, we have this layered approach to the wood and metal. And when those parts are put together, it's illuminated from behind with a beautiful texture that's also echoed in the speakers below.
If you look on the end of the IP, we've got merlettes in there that's kind of like an Easter egg. As you open the center console, the little drawer opens, and it's beautifully lined like a jewelry box.
And it's the texturing within the metal that you find around the curved screen on the IP. And that same texture you'll find on the multifunctional controller.
It looks like it's made by a watchmaker or a jeweler. That's the kind of surprises that we wanted to develop for a luxury customer.
We wanted to have clean, simple design. The foundation allows for great proportions.
The exterior design is no longer limited with a constraint of a combustion engine, so instead it frees us to be much more creative.
It's an opportunity to really push the fashion of car design.
The LYRIQ also unveils the new face of Cadillac.
We wanted to reinvent the crest in a way that looked very technologically advanced, but had a very jewelry and bespoke appearance.
The black crystal appearance of the grille and the avant-garde lighting are integrated artfully. So the face becomes much more expressive, sculptural, and sophisticated.
The vertical lighting had a lot to do with our relationship with our engineers and really being able to work back and forth with them to develop a technology we've never had before. When we walk up, the lighting sequences start with the badge, and then it fills in through the grille, and as the grille fills up, it pushes the light down through a technical rain of the vertical signature. It also pushes that light back through the whole horizontal of the vehicle, from the nose to the tail.
My ultimate goal was to make this hands down the best Cadillac SUV that anyone has ever seen.
The LYRIQ paves the way for Cadillac's all-electric future. It sets the tone for Cadillac's design language moving forward. It's effortless, it's simple, and it's refined. LYRIQ harmoniously blends sculpted surfaces, fluid lines, and next-generation technologies.
Creating LYRIQ is just a chance of a lifetime to lead a team that is extremely passionate and creative.
We knew that we were working on something really special when we started to give luxury EVs a soul.
This is going to be one of the most fun to drive vehicles that I've ever worked on.
There's nothing about it that doesn't captivate me. When we get aligned behind a task and a mission and a vision, we can accomplish just about anything.